Yep, I got him. I got Orville the elephant. One of my most favorite FNAF animatronics ever. And is it just me, or is mine, come here, mine very clean? Look at him. Look in his eyes. And his snout is perfect. It's perfect. And his purple hat is awesome. I mean, you can't tell me I'm wrong. His flappy ears, his whatever that is, his flower bow tie and the printing on it. Yeah. So, just wanted to update you guys. Awesome plushie. Super cool. Super cool plushie. Awesome. I can't get enough of it. It's so good. So good. I love it.